What? What is that? What do you have over there? What the fuck is that?
Where's Dad? Where's Dad? Where's Dad? Where's Dad? There he is!
Dancing is not his instinct, but as a dance partner, he is always ready. If she have long legs, maybe humans won't be able to escape. His face seemed to shout, "How can people dance like this?"
You what? Oh, I got it! I got it! I got it! Hey! It's alright! Come on! Hey, come on. Huh?
Sorry, this throne is mine, not yours.
Shh. Shh. Hey! Yeah, boy. Nope.
Save my Doberman. Come on, Rem.
Do you know how long I have been waiting outside?
Remy, come on. The door's open, buddy. Sorry, guys.
Nani?
Surely after this trip, he needs more training to prepare for the next trip. Walking is a great activity, but for this one puppy, access to delicious food is indispensable. He still doesn't realize that this is all a rigged game.
Get him out of there. Throw him. Go. No.
What happened?
Bravo, that's you.
It's hard for him to stay calm when he discovers a copy of himself in the mirror.
Что ты сделал?
For this dog, what needs to be done now is to help the owner forget the sadness immediately.
Nope.
We're going to go for a walk, but you have to wait. You have to digest, you just ate. You need to wait. We'll go for a walk soon.
过来。
Sorry, girl, can you practice exercise elsewhere? I need to go through here.
过来，10。
Hey man, what are you going to do to me?
Why are you shaking your tail?
Do not worry about not having a warm coat for the winter. Everything is being prepared. This is probably the fastest way to get your corgi to fall asleep.
Go get your dog.
If this was a challenge for him, the difficulty had increased to the maximum. Whee! He said he would do everything with his human, and he wasn't lying. When the ice melts, I will swim as planned, and now I will practice swimming during your skiing. When your dog is a surfing star on the beach, This is a fight on the beach, and there is no winner here. When you can dance like a dancer, your dance is ready to be performed anywhere. One of the ways to keep the heart of the person who once loved you is to always hold on to them. For this gentleman, drinking water from the tap is always the most luxurious thing. This is a perfect duo. He is the protagonist and the human is the antagonist.
Wait a minute.
Huh? What the dog doing?
One way to keep your dog busy is to provide him with a self-entertaining game. If his job is to keep an eye on you, then no matter where you are, he will find you. For you, all actions must be gentle, but not for dogs. Even though the summer is over, their souls are still on the beach. When he was warned about the dangers of escalators, when you turn on the don't want to go mode, it seems like everything will stop.
She's gonna try and sit.
Stay still.
I think she's bird watching now.
When playing seesaw, the winner is the one with the most weight. Only when you find someone who really gets along with you is a priceless gift. This care will probably be more complete when accompanied by a sweet kiss for him.
Really?
Sometimes there is too much love being shown that it can cause side effects. As long as you pay him well, this furry friend will do his best.
Hey!
Hey, tell me the truth. What kind of magic did you use to make Husky obey so much?
จ๊ะเอ๋ สะดุ้งเลยเหรอลูกฮะสวัสดีก่อน
Under the guidance of this coach, each exercise should only be limited to a certain amount of time.
No, like a good boy. I just want to trim your paw.
This dog will close the video today. Please share with us the stories of your dog. Goodbye.